what's up? And if you're new, welcome to my channel. And before we go ahead and get into today's video, just go ahead and pause this video. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and go hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you get notified every single time I post a new video. For ado, let's just go ahead and get into this video, sis. So if you clicked on this video, obviously you have somebody in mind, somebody that you're crushing on, and obviously you want them to like you back. So don't worry, sis, I'm gonna tell you how to get your man or even your woman. So let's just get into it. So number one is don't make yourself too available. Don't wear your heart on your sleeve. Don't be too predictable. You're supposed to be playing a game of chess, honey. Make him chase you. You're the mouse, he's the cat. Drag that shit out. Make yourself stand out from other females. You feel me? Doesn't matter how much you like him, you gotta be hard body. You got to make it exciting for him, make it interesting for him. Especially if it's a guy who is, you know, popular, or even a girl who is popular and they already feel like they can get anyone they want. You got to throw a curveball at them. Make them humble themselves down a little bit, sis. Like, they're going to be like, damn, this girl's kind of different. She's not too available. Like, you kind of like putting him on the back burner, and that's going to have him wanting to know, you know, a little bit more about you. He's most likely going to be wanting to text you first and text you good night before he goes to sleep every single night. Also, another big one is don't ever initiate anything first. Make him do everything first, literally everything first. Wait for him to message you, wait for him to swipe up on your story, wait for him, you know, to text you first. And don't text him back right away either. Do not text him back right away. Don't make him seem like you're just waiting by the phone, waiting for him to text you back. No, sis, go out, live your life, go out with your friends, go out to eat, cook at home, watch a movie, clean your house, do something. But do not text him back first. I mean, right away. Do not text him back right away. Do not text him back right away. Wait for a response, basically. Just, it doesn't matter how long you make him wait for it. Make it a couple hours, you know, a good 2-3 hours before you text him back, because he's gonna be like, dang, what is she doing? I know she has to be on her phone. Why isn't she texting me back? He's gonna say that you don't make yourself too available, and that's gonna make him feel some type of way, girl. That's gonna make him feel some type of way. You just basically gotta show him that you got a life too. Like, don't make him top tier. Do not make him top tier in your life. He's supposed to be trying to make you top tier. So go be busy, go do whatever you want to do, sis. Also, another big one is guys love funny and witty girls. Like, if you can make him laugh, it's gonna make him want to get to know you more. If you have a comeback for all of his jokes, sis, you're up there. First of all, he's probably gonna fall in love with you, to be honest. Like, guys love a female who isn't sensitive when it comes to jokes. They can roast each other. They can, you know, throw jokes to each other about anything. He's gonna love that about you. So if you're not witty, try to, you know, to be a little bit more out there. So be able to hold a conversation, and what I mean by that is be able to have very important conversations and serious conversations. Show him that you are an intelligent person. I can't tell you how far this will get you. Guys do not like girls who seem arrogant and seem like they're not, you know, the least brightest crown in the box. Guys love girls who can hold substantial conversations. So, you know, just be able to hold a conversation, be able to talk to him about, you know, serious things. Another big one is do not be insecure. Do not act insecure. Let him know that you can hold your own. Let him know that you know what you can bring to the table. Guys love that. Like, that's such a turn on for guys. I even think it's a turn on for females. Like, knowing somebody knows what they can bring to the table, knowing that they know that they the shit. Like, he's not gonna feel like he can take advantage of you. If you act insecure, he's gonna think that he can just walk all over you, sis, to be honest. Also, like, don't nag all the time. Don't nag about the little stuff. Like, don't nag about anything really. Like, if you guys are just like talking and getting to know each other, there should be no reason you're nagging about anything anyways. Just go with the flow with everything. Like, don't try to force anything. Do not try to force a relationship. Like, don't be like, hey, we've been talking for like a month, like, what are we doing, blah blah blah. Like, just go with the flow, you feel me? Guys like females who don't try to force anything. They just let it be what it is, you feel me? Obviously, if y'all been talking for like 6 to 8 months and he still hasn't made a move, then obviously I'll bring it up like, hey bruh, we've been talking for this long and you still haven't made me your girl, so you know, what's up? But basically, yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I will be making a part 2 to this video, so like I said, just go ahead and hit that bell icon so you guys do get notified for the next time that I post. And that is it for today's video. Don't forget to go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, comment down below other video ideas that you guys want to see from me. And that's pretty much it for today. Bye.